And since we are talking about exactly a year back, now after the lockdown was imposed in the country to contain the COVID pandemic, India saw lots of measures. Today, exactly a year back, or since then, India is witnessing a second wave of infection steeper than the first one. While there is no lockdown and streets are crowded, Mumbai is preparing for 10,000 cases a day by ramping up a number of hospital beds across the city. The authorities said that they are aiming to bring about 21,000 beds, more of them. The big concern, though, is that the disease in a first is spreading faster in small towns and districts, especially, and the highest spike that has been seen is in cities in UP and Gujarat.
Exactly a year back, a lockdown was imposed in the country to contain COVID pandemic. Now, there is virtually no lockdown, the crowds are back. And India is seeing a second COVID-19 wave that is steeper than the first one. The experts aren't sure what is causing this. While the government claims that the mutation in virus is not the reason behind it, the experts are stating that they are looking into all the possibilities that what exactly is the reason that the number of cases are seeing a steep rise in Maharashtra. India's second wave is rising far steeper than the first one. Cases have crossed 50,000 and over 1 lakh cases have been added in just 48 hours, the first time since October. So what is the reason? Officials say it's not the 3 foreign and 1 Indian strain. India has hundreds of these cases, but that's not enough to explain the surge according to the government. But if it's people refusing to wear masks, keep a social distance and other such precautions, then how come it's only surging in a few states? And why is Maharashtra so badly hit when there are election campaign crowds in other states?
Possible answers could be that many people have been earlier asymptomatic and already have antibodies, and therefore in certain states number of people having the antibodies in their serum is higher. So there are multiple causes by which we can actually get a rise in the cases. Number one is that people forget that we have to follow COVID appropriate behavior. So people start behaving as if it's the normal times are back again.
A major surge in the second wave is the surge there is in the smaller towns. The 10 states the government identified last week with over many districts of concerns, including smaller towns, have since then added 2.67 lakh new cases, up almost 70% in just a week. The rapid spread of COVID-19 in smaller districts is the biggest concern of the government, given how easily it can spread to villages and the state of healthcare. As the second wave of COVID-19 is being witnessed in the country, the healthcare experts are reiterating the warning that if COVID-appropriate behavior is not strictly implemented by the government and adopted by the people, the number of COVID cases will continue to rise. With camera person Ashok Mahale, I'm Akshay Dongre for NDTV.